These are our 3D videos for kids about learning, made by us, Bambo Jambo, on YouTube just for kids. Our cartoons will help your kids learn colors, shapes, and more, as well as having a lot of fun. Hello, friend! Today we are going to help the police to conduct patrols of our fair city. Maximum permitted speed in our town is 40 miles per hour. This monster truck is clearly speeding. It's time to go in pursuit of the offender. Almost got him. Hooray! We caught the offender! Look at this! Both of our police monster trucks are covered in dust after the chase. I think we should go to the car wash, and then later return to the police station. Let's start cleaning the first police monster truck. First, the pre-wash. Remove the dust, dirt, and grime from the body of the truck. And don't forget about the wheels. Super! Now we apply the active foam and wash our police truck. Just great. It's time to wash off all the dirt. The next step, dry it. Finally, we polish our police monster truck. And that one is done. It's time to wash the second police monster truck. Repeat all the steps with the second police monster truck. So, let's begin. Pre-wash, excellent. Active foam, wash on each side, and don't forget about the headlights and the front bumper. Wash off all the dirt. Dry them. Finally, polish. Done! Hooray! Let's count how many police monster trucks we washed today. So 1, 2. We washed 2 police monster trucks today at the car wash. And we're done. Well now, it's time to go back to the police station. Hello, friend! Our fire trucks have successfully put out the fire once again. Excellent! Now it's time to return to the fire station. Check out all of our fire trucks. Oh no! They're covered with soot and dirt after the fire. I think we should go to the car wash first, and only then will we go back to the fire station. Uh-oh, what's going on? Our fire trucks can't enter the car wash because it's designed only for small cars, and our trucks are so big. Somewhere in here must be a wash for larger vehicles. Let's see what's on the other side of the car wash. And here it is! We need to begin by cleaning the first fire engine. First of all, the pre-wash. This removes all the dust, dirt, soot from the body of the fire engine. Forget about the wheels. Super! Now we apply the active foam and wash our fire engine. Great! It's time to wash off all the rest of the dirt. The next step, drying. Finally, we polish off our fire truck for that nice red shine. We're done with this one. Must mean it's time to wash the second fire engine. Let's repeat all the steps, like we did with the previous fire engine. So first we begin with the pre-wash. Excellent! Active foam, better use it on all the sides. And do not forget about the headlights and the front bumper. Wash off all the dirt. Dry the fire truck. And finally the polish. Look at how shiny. We're done! Hooray! Let's count how many fire engines we washed today. So there's 1 and 2. There are 2 fire engines that we washed at the car wash today. That's super duper sweet. Well now, it's time to go back to the fire station. Subscribe to our channel and see the newest videos first when they are released. If you like our videos, please leave comments below as well. It's always important to hear from our fans and parents alike to help us make the best cartoons for your children.